Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Pragmata and your game keeps crashing on Steam, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Pragmata crashing on Steam easily. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your Steam, you're going to right click on Pragmata, go into properties, click install files and then click verify and integrate your game files. Once it's done with that, now what you're going to do is you're going to close out Steam and then you're going to go to your Pragmata games folder. So the default location should be in your C drive from file86 and then Steam apps, common, Pragmata here. You're going to right click on the Pragmata exe, click properties, click compatibility, and then click run this program as an administrator. Also click disable full screen optimizations, and then click apply. Okay. And now what you're going to do is you're going to delete this shaded cache folder from this Pragmata game. Afterwards, now what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and update your graphics card drivers. So you're going to open up your web browser. I'll show you AMD first, and then I'll show you Intel and NVIDIA. You're going to go into resources and support, click drivers, click graphics here, select your graphics card series and then model, click submit then, and then select your operating system, download the latest AMD Adrenaline software, go on to intel.com now. Now what you're going to do is you're going to click on to support here, click download center, and then you're going to click on to graphics here, and then you're going to search for your graphics card here, Intel Arc A750. You're going to download the latest Intel GPU drivers. Now you're going to go on to nvidia.com, click drivers then, you're going to fill in this manual driver search form and then click find. It will find the GeForce Game Ready driver for you. You're going to go ahead and download and install it. After you're done installing the drivers, now what you're going to do is you're going to restart your computer. Once you're done with the restart, now what you're going to do is you're going to right click on your desktop. You're going to go into AMD software if you have an AMD card. I'll show you NVIDIA afterwards. You're going to go into performance, tuning. You're going to make sure this tuning is set to default, so don't have any overclocks or underclocks on your graphics card. Now I'll show you NVIDIA. Right click on your desktop, go into NVIDIA control panel, and then you're going to go into help here and then turn on debug mode. Once you do that, now what you're going to do is you're going to open Steam up, but make sure to run it as admin. Search for Steam, right click on it, click run as admin, and then run Steam. Once Steam runs as admin, now what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and try to play the game, and you'll see that your game will now work. You'll not face those crashes anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.